How does Massachusetts define nursing home abuse under M.G.L. C. 111, Sections 72F72L? Massachusetts law defines nursing home abuse more broadly than many families realize. Under M.G.L. circa 111, Section 72F, abuse includes the willful infliction of injury, unreasonable confinement, intimidation, punishment that causes physical harm, pain, or mental anguish, and assault and battery. The statute also covers neglect, mistreatment, and the misappropriation of a resident's property. That means the law addresses both direct acts of harm and serious failures in care. Verbal or mental abuse must be a knowing and willful act directed at a specific person to qualify under the statute. Massachusetts does not limit these protections to nursing homes alone. The law also applies to rest homes, convalescent care facilities, home health agencies, and hospice programs covered under M.G.L. circa 111, Section 71. A resident is a person living in a licensed long-term care facility, while a patient may be someone receiving home health or hospice services at home. Massachusetts also requires many professionals to report suspected abuse, neglect, mistreatment, or property misappropriation. Mandatory reporters include physicians, nurses, nurse aides, home health aides, hospice workers, social workers, therapists, police officers, and medical examiners. Any person with reasonable cause to believe abuse occurred may also file a report with the Department of Public Health. Family members and visitors are protected when they make a good faith report, and the law prohibits retaliation. When DPH receives a report, it must investigate the allegations. If a resident's health or safety appears to be in immediate danger, the investigation must begin within 24 hours. Other reports must be investigated within 7 days. The investigation includes a site visit, an interview with the harmed resident or patient, and a written determination of what happened and who may be responsible. Reports are treated as confidential, but confirmed findings may be shared with appropriate agencies, including law enforcement. DPH also maintains a registry for documented findings involving nurse aides, home health aides, and homemakers. Abuse, neglect, and mistreatment are related but not identical terms under Massachusetts law. Abuse involves willful conduct, while neglect generally means failing to provide goods or services necessary to avoid physical harm or mental anguish. Mistreatment is a broader category that can include harmful conduct causing physical or psychological injury even if it does not meet the full statutory definition of abuse. Facilities and staff may face civil penalties, license suspension or revocation, registry entries, and compliance requirements when abuse is committed or allowed. Families may also pursue a civil lawsuit for damages, and Massachusetts generally provides 3 years to file a personal injury claim under M.G.L. circa 260, Section 2A. A lawyer can help determine whether the conduct meets the legal definition of abuse and whether additional claims may apply. An attorney may also evaluate claims for medical expenses, pain and suffering, emotional distress, wrongful death damages, and possible Chapter 93A remedies. Families should contact a lawyer or attorney promptly if they suspect a loved one has suffered harm in a nursing home or other covered setting. Colucci and Marcus, P.C. is a law firm that helps families understand their rights, and this law firm can be reached at 617-698-6000 at 424 Adams Street, No. 101, Milton, Massachusetts, 02186, United States.